How to use the congratulations technique to manifest everything you want in this life. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice if you're new here. And on this channel, we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. So if you want to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you the details on my absolute favorite technique. And this technique is called the congratulations technique, and it's by my favorite man, Neville Goddard. With this technique, you need to really use your imagination. And imagination we know as a really good tool to manifest our dreams and our desires, to bring our manifestations into our reality. So the first thing you need to do is to figure out what you want. What do you want in this life? So maybe you want a dream home, you want prosperity in your life, you want your specific person. You want to get into college, maybe you want to just love yourself more, you want more self-love. Think of everything that you want. Now I want you to go into this technique by imagining other people congratulating you on whatever you desire. So maybe, for example, it's a dream car. Think of your best friends or people on social media congratulating you on getting that dream car. Maybe you desire having a relationship with your specific person, or maybe you're manifesting someone new in your life. Imagine other people congratulating you on a beautiful relationship with that person. Imagine people saying congratulations on your amazing relationship. You made it to 1 year, your 1 year anniversary. Congratulations on your engagement. Congratulations on your marriage, your 5-year anniversary of marriage. I am so happy for you. Imagine people congratulating you on whatever you desire. Another example is self-love. Imagine people congratulating you on all the self-love that you have. You can imagine people saying, you just love yourself so much and it's so inspiring. I just love that about yourself. That is using the congratulations technique on self-love or development, self-development. People will see that within you and they will say, oh my gosh, you are so inspiring. I just love the way you love yourself. I just love the way that you just embrace who you are. It's truly beautiful and I'm so inspired by you. Imagine people saying that to you. Now, when I say imagine, I want you to meditate on this. I want you to think of this right before bed. You can even write it down. Write down a scene where people are coming up to you and congratulating you on your amazing life. I know some of you have written in comments that you want to get accepted into a university of your choice, or you want a scholarship, things like that. This is a great tool to manifest by using this congratulations technique. Think of people in your life and think of their voice, think of their demeanor, how they talk, everything. Imagine that. Imagine them talking to you and saying congratulations on getting into Harvard or wherever you desire to go to college. Imagine your parents, your friends, your grandparents, your family members, people on social media commenting on your photo that you got accepted into the college that you desire to be accepted into. I love using social media for this, for my visualization. I love to think about me speaking at seminars, maybe having my own TED Talk one day, and truly visualizing that. Visualizing people commenting on that photo and saying, oh my gosh, you were so amazing at your TED Talk. I'm so happy for you. You're so inspiring. Things like that. And I've been able to manifest some really cool things like my dream car, my dream apartment. I've been able to manifest speaking engagements. I've been able to manifest partnerships with huge brands like L'Oreal, Toyota, DSW, thousands of brands I've worked with by using this technique. Imagining other people congratulating me by lifting me up, coming up to me or commenting on my photos and saying, congratulations, I'm so happy for you. What I love about this technique is that it limits the resistance to your desire, because you're really focused on other people coming up to you and congratulating you, instead of you doing all this work and thinking, oh, I hope my affirmations are working, I hope all this stuff. And let me tell you, your affirmations are working. But this is how you develop the tools and the equipment to use to manifest, to bring in your desires into reality. So use the congratulations technique in your next journey of manifesting. The next time you're doing your manifesting tools, use the congratulations technique by Neville Goddard. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I truly hope you had an amazing time today, thinking of your congratulations, thinking of other people congratulating you, because I'm gonna say right now, congratulations to you, powerful creators, for all the things that are coming into your life, all the things that have already come into your life. Congratulations, you're doing amazing. I'm so proud of you. And the powerful creator of this video is Kelly Galloway. Kelly Galloway, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment the secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on how to use the congratulations tool and technique to bring in your specific person. That is what I want you to watch next. Powerful creators, thank you again for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. I love you so much. Have a beautiful day.